Hello, welcome to VCDoctors. In this short video, we will learn how the patients can set up their healthcare profile. So this is the dashboard of the patients. You just need to go to the profile section where you will get the health profile. Here is the personal information you can check. This is the static information that is being displayed when you have registered yourself. This is the contact information, and this is the encounter section. This section will display all the appointments that are being scheduled previously. So you can check all these appointments in the encounter section. You can check with the doctor name, what was the appointment date and time. If you want to see the prescription of the particular consultation, you just need to click on the prescription button, so it will redirect you to the prescription of the consultation by the doctor. So here you can check the prescription. If you want to check with the encounter view, that encounter view is the whole diagnosis report that is being prepared by the healthcare expert during the consultation time. So you can check the whole report by this option. And if you want to view the lab view, so all the reports that is being recommended by the healthcare expert are being shown up here. So that's how you can view the encounter section. After that, there is medication. Medication is the section where you have added the medicine names, strengths, what are their doses that is being prescribed previously that you have entered manually or being consulted or recommended by the healthcare expert. So you can check and make necessary action, like if you want to edit some details, so you can change the details of particular medication from here. After that, there is allergies. You can add the allergies, like if you are having any, you can add them with their symptoms and reactions. You can add the vitals of your health, like what is the blood pressure on particular day and time, and what was your insulin meter, what's your oximeter says. So you can add these details whenever you have measured them. Your previous health complaints, if you have any medical history, you can add these details here as well, so it will be easy for your healthcare consultant to diagnose you correctly. After that, there is lab tests. You have what lab tests you have done previously with their dates and their statuses. There is health document section where you have uploaded any of the health related documents. There is another section for the notes where a doctor or nurse or any healthcare expert have given any notes, like if there is any follow-up needed after a particular time period, that notes will be reflected here. After that, there is a scan or radio tests report you have done. So this is how the healthcare profile is being set up. So that's how my health profile is being set up. Thank you.